Installation of door. In the previous session, we learned to install the roof for the toilet. In this session, we will learn to install the door for the toilet. The door with a latch ensures privacy and safety for the users of the toilet. At the end of this session, you will be able to install the door for the toilet, fix soap dish in the bath area. As per our plan, the door for the toilet will have the dimension of 81 by 195 centimeters. It will be fixed on 2 door frames, 3 hinges, and will have an all-drop bolt, a tower bolt, and a handle. Before we go into the procedure, let's take a look at the tools and materials. The tools are screwdriver, hammer, roll jumper, electric drill or hand drill, measuring tape, water level, plumb bob. The materials are door, door frame, 2 numbers, hinges, 3 numbers, screws, roll plug, all-drop bolt, handle, tower bolt, pencil, soap dish, drill bits of 6 mm and 12 mm. We will now see the steps involved in installation of door. First, we will fix the door frames to the wall. The door frame consists of 2 wooden frames. In order to fix the wooden frames on the wall, we need 4 equidistant points. For this, we first measure and mark 15 centimeters from both the ends of the frame. We will now divide the distance between the 2 marked points into 3 equal parts. In our case, the total distance comes to 168 centimeters. When we divide 168 by 3, we get the points at 56 centimeters and 112 centimeters. We will make marks at these points. Using an electric drill, drill holes on the 4 points. The diameter of the drill bit is 6 mm. It is through these holes that we will fix the frame to the wall. We have now got 4 equidistant points on the wooden frame. Keep a piece of stone at the floor level and place the wooden frame on top of it. Place the wooden frame at the distance of around 2 centimeters from the edge of the wall. Check the level of the wooden frame using plumb bob and adjust as necessary. Once the wooden frame is leveled, mark the edge of the door frame on the wall for further placement assistance. With the help of a hammer, insert screws to make marks on the wall. Remove the screws and the wooden frame. Make marks on the points with pencil. Using a roll jumper, make holes on the marks on the wall. While using a roll jumper, ensure to keep turning it in a circular manner as shown to ensure the hold has threads. Now insert roll plugs in the holes with hammer. Insert screws in the wooden frame. Fix the screws on the wall through the frame with the help of a screwdriver. Tighten the screws. Check the tightness of the screws and ensure the frame is tightly fixed. Now place the second frame on the other side. Using water level, check if the two frames are at the same level. Repeat the same process and attach the second frame on the wall. We have now fixed the frames for the door. We now proceed to get the door ready. We will first fix the hinges to the door. Placing the hinges on the edge of the door, make holes with hammer. Fix the screws with screwdriver. Continue and fix the remaining hinges. We have fixed all the hinges to the door. Now let's fix the all-drop bolt to the door. As you can see, the two frames for the all-drop bolt are to be fixed in the manner shown. Place the all-drop bolt such that the back side of the door has a wooden support for it. Ensure that the all-drop bolt frame is at the same level. Place the all-drop bolt in such a way that if the rod is pushed outwards, it stands 2 inches from the edge of the door. Also, when the rod is pushed inwards, the edge of the rod aligns with the edge of the door. In case of a PVC door, we will fix the all-drop bolt at the center of the door. We will now attach the all-drop bolt to the door. Now mark the points for fixing the screws. Drill holes at the points marked. Fix screws of the two frames. We will now fix the third frame of the all-drop bolt to the door. The third frame should be placed keeping the handle over the frame as shown. Mark points for fixing screws. Drill holes at the points marked. Fix screws using screwdriver. We will now fix the tower bolt for the door. Place the tower bolt at the middle of the center wooden piece of the door such that the tower bolt aligns with the edge of the door. Mark the points for fixing the screws. We will now drill holes on the points marked. Tighten the screws with screwdriver. We will now fix the handle for the door. Place the handle on the top of the tower bolt as shown. Mark points and drill holes. Fix screws and tighten them. We have now fixed the all-drop bolt, tower bolt, and the handle for the door. We will now fix the door to the frame. Place the door leaving a space of 5 centimeters from the ground level. Provide support from ground level to place the door at the required height. Check the level of supports both under the door and outside. Now place the door in such a manner that the edge of the hinge aligns with the edge of the door frame. With an electric drill, make holes for fixing screws. Fix screws and tighten with screwdriver. Close the door. Now mark holes on the wooden frame for the tower bolt. With the help of an electric drill, make a hole on the wooden frame. Use a drill bit of 12 mm. Ensure that the tower bolt fits into the hole made. We will now fix the frame of the all-drop bolt to lock it from outside. Mark points on the wooden frame for fixing screws. Drill holes on the points marked. Fix screws and tighten with screwdriver. Ensure that the all-drop bolt locks properly. We have now finished installing the door for the toilet. We will now fix the soap dish in the bath area. First, place the soap dish at a height of approximately 135 centimeters from the floor level. Mark points for fixing screws and drill holes with hammer and roll jumper. Fix the roll plug in the holes that we made. Fix screws in the wall and tighten it. You have now fixed the soap dish in the bath area. With that, we have come to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to install the door for the toilet, fix soap dish in the bath area. In the next session, we will learn to whitewash the walls of the toilet building.